There is a bird that just hit the ceiling above the pond and just landed on the ground. Chloe's tripping. Chloe, no. Chloe, no. Chloe, no. No. Chloe, no. Chloe, no. No. Chloe, no. Look at that thing. Chloe, no. Oh my God. Chloe, no. Chloe, stay. It was like flying full speed. Chloe, no! Almost hit me. Tagged this thing up here and like flew by right through here and almost hit me. I think he didn't see the overhang and killed himself. Chloe, no! Chloe, no! 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 Go inside. Inside. No! No! Chloe, no! Chloe just killed the bird. Chloe, no! Probably for the better. Chloe, no. Go inside!